With the arrival of spring, there's a renewed desire for fresh, bold styles. And nothing embodies this more than rainbow activewear. This trend is all about adding excitement and personality to our workouts. As rainbow activewear rises in popularity, it reflects a growing desire for self-expression and a celebration of individuality. When it comes to rainbow-inspired activewear, the variety is simply stunning. From different shades to unique patterns, there's something for everyone. Each color evokes a different mood and energy, perfectly connecting to specific workout activities or personal preferences. And the best part? These pieces are incredibly versatile. You can mix and match them to create your own unique and stylish outfits. But it's not just about looking good. Rainbow activewear also excels in performance. With breathable fabrics, moisture-wicking technology, and flexibility, these pieces are designed to keep you comfortable and moving freely. The vibrant colors can elevate any workout, boosting your confidence and motivation. And beyond the gym, these pieces seamlessly transition into everyday outfits, making them a perfect addition to any wardrobe. So, let's dive into some styling tips for creating those head-turning looks with rainbow activewear. You can really make a statement by mixing and matching different outfit combinations. And guess what? Current trends are all about tie-dye, gradient designs, and bold graphic prints. Super exciting, right? Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and, most importantly, express your individuality through your clothing choices. It's all about having fun and showing off your unique flair. To wrap things up, let's talk about the key benefits of rainbow activewear. It's not just about looking good, it's about boosting your confidence, adding a splash of personality, and even enhancing your performance. So, why not try incorporating some rainbow activewear into your wardrobe? It can really bring a lot of fun and excitement, even to something as simple as swimwear. And hey guys, this goes for you too. Especially with events like the LGBTQ+ Parade in Long Beach, California, it's the perfect time to embrace these vibrant trends. If you're feeling inspired, we've got a link where you can find and purchase some amazing rainbow activewear. Go ahead, embrace the colorful trend and make it your own. FashionNetClub.com